Let's talk about the recently launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy A06 with sleek design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with PLS LCD display, with 6.7 inches HD plus waterdrop notch. Display resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 83.8% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 262 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system. The company provides up to 2 major OS upgrades, and up to 4 years of security updates, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.3 by 77.3 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 189 grams, and the color options, light blue, gold, light green, black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A06 has been priced for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 11,499 Indian rupees, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 116 United States dollars. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy A06 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.